sir. All right, I think we're up and running. Let's see, let's see. Excellent connection. Yes, sir, we're up and running.
All right.
All right, tell me how you like the cameras. We good, we good?
They look good to me.
They look good to me. All right, bet. Can you hear the song? Let me see if I can hear the background music. Uh, let me see, let me
Yeah, I hear
see.
the music.
Yeah, all right. Is it
Yeah.
loud? Is it good?
Yeah, it sounds good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I bet. Did you share the link already or
Nah,
no? All
I'll
right,
probably
bet, bet.
do it in a bit.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now we just go into LeetCode,
Yes, sir. Let me just.
and you gotta stream it in Discord.
All right. Yes, sir. Let me see. Discord, Discord. Yes, bro. This is so professional. I like it. I
We're
like it.
getting there. We're getting there.
Yes, sir. Sir. Let me put my thing to charge before it dies. No, tell me if you can see it. Just yes.
Yeah.
Yep. Alrighty.
I have a new inquiry.
Uh-huh.
Let's see what your opinion is.
Alright, go for it, go for it.
So, we're just starting, right? We're just
Yes, sir.
starting, so
Yes,
we're
sir.
learning each stream. Learning
Uh-huh.
each stream.
A little bit by little.
Tell
Yes,
me what you think
sir.
about this. After each problem we solve, or maybe even during the problem solving, we explain what we're doing. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like for people that don't know what's going on,
Ooh,
like
like
we
explain the
explain
concepts and everything?
the concept of it. Yes.
Okay,
And of
okay.
course, at the end, we explain everything again. We do like a recap.
Okay, okay. I like it, I like it.
How does
Okay,
that
yes,
sound?
yes. Yes, yes. I
Like if
like.
we're doing a tutorial in a way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh,
Not
I
only
like
will it
that.
help the viewers whenever
But it'll help
they're re-
us.
they're reviewing back on the stream,
Yes,
but it'll
sir.
help us.
Yes, sir. Hey, I like that. I
Uh,
like that. We can do that. We can do that.
and then I plan on doing the timestamps again to where I
Where
could
we
put
worked
like
each problem.
explanation. Yeah, where we work each problem and the explanation for each problem and stuff like that.
Yeah, yeah, I'm done.
So
I'm done. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
we'll try it this stream, see how it goes on that, see how well we do.
I bet.
Right, do you want to
Yeah.
start off?
We can
You
start
want
it
to start
up,
the
boy.
intro?
Yes, sir. I
That
got
intro.
you. And welcome, guys, to the second live stream of Insane to Insane. Yes, sir. We're back yet again with another some couple of leap code problems. We have better production now. It's going a lot more smoother. We figure out a way to put some background info. Our
We're
cameras
getting
look
there.
better. Everything's way
We
smoother.
got
Little
thumbnails.
by little, we got
Thumbnails.
thumbnails, we got banners, we got comments, we got descriptions, we
We
got
got
a profile
logos.
picture, we got logos. It's all my man right here. This guy over here.
I
It's
appreciate
been
it.
working, bro.
Appreciate it.
All his work. That's him. That's him. All
It's
props to him.
basic stuff.
I'm just
Basic
here
stuff.
with the OBS, press play, but this guy's the one behind the screens doing everything. So give props to him, my boys. And yeah, we're
Yeah.
back. More LeetCode problems, and so I'm gonna pass the microphone to my co-host, my host Carlos.
Yeah.
Yes,
You know,
sir.
we're excited. Actually, I'm not so excited right now because we did say last stream we are gonna work on the Roman
Numeral.
leak code problem.
Yes,
I'm not really
sir.
excited for that one, but that's all right. We'll get through it. So
We'll
I
get
feel
through it.
good. Feel good right now. Mentally, I'm pretty good. So we'll see how we are by the end of the stream. I think
Yes,
we're gonna
sir.
do we're gonna try to do 3 problems or
3 up. Yeah.
3, and then what are we doing? Like, what's the length? The estimate? Like,
Ooh.
what'd you say? You said it last stream. I forgot.
1:30, 1 hour 30, I
An
think.
hour and 30?
An
Okay.
hour 30. See if we
We're
can try to
shooting
get
for an hour and
those
30.
three.
So
Yes,
if we could get
sir.
three done.
If we can get three
So we're
done.
doing, yeah, we're
Uh-huh.
doing something new. We're gonna start explaining a little bit better,
Yes,
or
yes.
maybe start explaining. I don't think we did in the last stream. So
Yeah.
for people that might not know what's going on and are interested in learning, we'll be doing some better explanations. But other than that, same stuff. At the end of the
Yes,
stream,
sir.
we'll give a rating of like how we feel,
Uh-huh.
and
Uh-huh.
hopefully we're not insane because we do got class tomorrow.
We
So
do have plans.
I'm
We're
trying
back
to go
from
to sleep
spring
happy,
break.
honestly.
Yes,
I'm trying to
sir.
go to sleep happy.
We
I'm not trying
are.
to go to sleep angry, you know.
Yeah, I
So
get you. I get you.
we're gonna try to do good. So I think I'm ready. We're ready.
Yeah,
We're
and
ready.
we're ready. I'm
We
ready.
also
Let's
got
go.
music in the
We
background.
got
You
music
hear
in the
there's a
background.
little
Yes,
bit of music in the
sir.
background.
Yes,
So whenever we're
sir.
like concentrating and we're like silent, you're gonna hear something just so
Yeah, of
it's not
course, of course.
silence.
Yeah, and tell them guys if you got like the music and if it's too loud, if it's too low, tell us. We'll just switch it up over here. But yeah, let's get started with our
All
second
right.
live stream with some cup of LeetCode. We said we're gonna do Roman numerals. Roman number, yeah, Roman two integer. Oof, okay.
Number 13.
Yes, sir. We're doing it on Python, right? Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
Python.
Yeah, yes, sir.
All right,
Python
Jose,
3. How is it? All right,
read
baby.
it out, man.
Let me just make this a little, our screens a little bit lower, a little bit smaller. There we go. So people can see a little bit better. So it says, the Roman two integers this is not problem number 13, and it says the following. Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols, I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. Symbol I represents 1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 1000, D 500, M 1000. For example, 2 is written as LII in Roman numeral, just two ones are added together. L2 is written as XII, which is simply X plus II. The number 27 is written as XXVII, which is XX plus V plus II. Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. However, the numeral for 4 is not I. Instead, the number 4 is written as IV. Because the
Mm,
1 is before the 5, we subtracted, making it 4. Okay, because the 1,
okay.
so this is an important line right here.
Yes, that is
Because
important.
the 1 is before the 5, we subtracted from 4. Okay, okay. Keep it in mind. The same principle applies to the number 9, which is written as IX, where the 6 where our 6 instances where subtraction is used. I can be replaced before V, 5, and X, 10 to make 4 and 9. X can be replaced before L, 50, and C, 100 to make 40 and 90. C can be replaced before D, 500, and M, 1000 to make 400 and 900. Given a Roman numeral, convert it to an integer. Okay, okay, okay. Looks a little bit
All right.
confusing. A lot of,
It is because
it
like
is.
the Roman numerals they like teach you it right here if you didn't know it before.
Uh-huh,
And like
uh-huh.
I didn't know like the rule that um if the lesser than symbol is
It's
before the
before.
larger, then that means you subtract it.
Yeah. Yeah, me
I just
neither.
remembered that 4 is IV. Like I
Uh-huh.
just remembered like that. So um okay.
Okay,
So what
it's
are can we explain those cases again? So like
these cases.
if we see that like I is value 1. If we see that I is before V, then that means we're subtracting.
Uh-huh. If I feel like if it's the one before is lower than the one after, we subtract. If that makes sense. For example, I, which is 1, and V, which is 5, right? 1 is lower than V, but because 1 is to the left, we subtract 1 to V. Does that
Okay.
make sense? Yeah? A little bit,
Mm,
little bit? Yeah.
okay. So All right, I'm already thinking of ways.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
So
So to my
my
un
initial,
uh-huh,
oh,
go for it, go for it.
I'll let you go. I'll let
All
you
right.
go.
So I feel like these are kind of normal, right? Because each L, V, I represent one, right? So we can just get this like a string, right? And just to explain a little bit of a string is like a sentence or a group of characters, right? Like numbers, integers, right? And since they're strings, we are able to manipulate them um with a couple of what's it called methods and stuff that allow us to like play around with them, right? And since we can get them as strings, right? We can just like create a bunch of switch statements or if statements, right? And scan like the L, and then we have a integer, right? That's an integer, and we just add
Hmm.
50. Then we scan V. Oh, what is V? 5. Add 5. What is I? Well, 1. Let's add 1. You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're explaining that with strings you can
Hmm.
iterate through them,
Yeah,
which means you can go
exactly.
through each character in that
Hmm.
string. So like like let's say my name, Carlos. You
Hmm.
could go through each character. You could
Yes,
start
sir.
you start from left to right
Left to right.
naturally by default.
Yes,
So
sir.
the first thing you iterate to is C, and then the
Hmm.
one after that one is A, one after that one's R. So each time you iterate, you could do a new task during each time. You could say
Exactly.
you could check if that character meets another character
Hmm.
or if it equals another a certain number or some sort. So that's what iteration would be useful here because ideally we want to take in that string that they're giving us.
Hmm.
For the example one, they're giving us I, and we
Yes,
want to
sir.
iterate through each I, and then we correspond that I to the value that it meets. So at the top of the question, it shows us that I is equal to one.
Hmm.
So so then I guess we can add it up. We can add up I equals to one.
Exactly.
So then that's one, and then you go to the next I. That's one as well. So now the total sum is two, and you go to the next one. You add that one up, so the total is three, and you
Yes,
return back.
sir. Yes,
But
sir.
it gets complicated whenever there's a no, whenever there's a symbol which
Hmm.
value is less than the
Then
symbol afterward.
yeah, exactly. Yes, sir. That's where it
So
gets tricky.
that's where it gets tricky because the number four written is it's IV, but you can't do the iteration process the same way because if you start with IV, the first one is going to be I, and that's one. The next one's
Hmm.
going to be V, which is equal to five. If you add both of those up, that's six.
6.
Wait,
Uh-huh. 6.
six,
Yes,
which
yes.
is incorrect. It's supposed to be four.
Hmm.
So that process is not going to be the same for everything. So that's the trick of the problem.
Yeah. Yeah,
And
yeah,
that's a
yeah.
little explanation of what iteration is. But continue on, Jose.
Yes. All right, yeah. So, like Carlos was saying, we need to like figure out a way to check if the following character is less than or bigger than the current character we have. But for now, we're gonna kind of like we'll push that a little bit to the side and focus on the ideal situation where all the numbers are
Yeah.
perfectly in order, right? So we
Mm,
can just if we can add them up, and I feel like getting the basis of a problem first is good, and then adding a little the more complex items follow like
yeah.
next is gonna help us, right? But having that basis to work with is gonna make this problem a lot
Yeah.
better. Yes.
It's like whenever you're drawing, you get
Mm-hmm.
the sketch out. You
Exactly.
sketch it out first with a pencil or
Mm-hmm.
whatever. It's a little bit messy,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not perfect. And then you
Exactly.
get the
Exactly.
marker and you start outlining it, you start coloring it to make it perfect. So we just want to get
Exactly.
the sketch right now. We want to get the sketch, run it to see if it passes the
Mm-hmm.
test cases we want it to pass, and then from there, we'll make sure it
Yeah.
works whenever
With the
that
other
special
ones.
case, that special situation comes into play whenever it's four. Whenever it's I
Exactly.
and V, it should be
Mm-hmm.
four instead of six. So, all
Yes,
right.
sir.
So, what do you think? We split up the string, or we just iterate through it, right?
Oof.
We don't need to split it up.
I don't think we need to split it up. We just have to
I don't think
iterate
so
through
either.
them. Yeah.
Okay.
So for here, all right. So just an FYI, I'm no Python expert, right? Nor LeetCode
A,
expert, right?
a
But we're
little,
trying
what did they call it? Like a disclosure,
a little disclosure, little warning, right?
little warning. We're getting
Yeah,
there. We're
we're
getting
getting
there.
there though. We're getting there. This is the point of this thing to keep working, right?
Yes.
So Carlos over here, he has a little bit of more experience with Python and stuff. So if you see him,
Emphasis on a little bit.
a little bit, yeah, he knows a little bit more than me because I
Emphasis.
don't really know. But yeah,
Yeah.
let's get this work.
Oh, let's loop through it. Let's
All right,
loop through it.
so let's see. For I in range in
I think you
range.
could just say S.
Can we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my
Mhm.
God. All right.
Like try it. Print S.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
see.
Do that.
Now I'm gonna close this problem a little bit and make this. Ooh.
Right there at the bottom.
Oh. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We got
So
it. We
that's
got it.
iterating through. That's what we mean by iteration. Like it's for I and S, it's going through each character
Mm-hmm.
in the string S. So it goes to the first one and it prints it out into the console. So it prints out I. Goes to the next
Yeah.
one, it prints out I. Goes to the next one, prints out I. In this
This
case, the
yes.
string is just I. It could have been IV
This
C,
yes.
and it will print out
We have
IVC.
the other test cases over here. No, we don't. I don't think
Yeah.
we can able to get the other ones.
Unless you X out the.
Yeah.
But we don't need
Nah.
to.
Yeah. Yep.
Or you could change it right there. Just real quick, you could change it in the thing.
Really? Here?
Then
Oh,
in the
it's
text
it's
right
it.
there. Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me just copy
You just change the
this.
first one.
Boom. There you go.
Yeah.
No,
And look,
I don't have to save it, right? I just run it.
no.
All right, but let's see. Let's see. Yeah, we got it right here.
So now it
Yes,
prints out
sir.
LVII, which is that.
LVIII. Yes, sir.
Iteration.
Iteration. So this is
Okay.
pretty much iteration, and then all right. So now to solve the problem, I was thinking to do if statements or switch cases. I feel like switch cases are a little bit more, they're more cleaner, a little more professional, right? Instead of like having all those different if statements. Do you know how to do switch cases?
I think it's just switch and then a colon.
Okay.
I'm not too sure.
Let's see. Let's figure this thing out. Right
Oh,
here.
do they have it?
I
Oh,
don't think
it's just
Python has
Oh, it's right there.
this one.
Match.
Match term. Pattern 1, pattern 2. Yeah, right here we have match case
But the thing is,
Python.
I don't even think we need a lot of um, if statements. I think we just need to say like if the number before is less than the number after, then you subtract it.
Yes, but also how do we get the digits though? Because we have I, right? We don't know. You get me?
You
So we have to get
check it. You have a
I.
dictionary with the key and the value.
Ooh, we can do dictionaries. That's so true.
Yeah.
Mm.
I think right now what we're doing is we're trying to explain a little bit, and we haven't even thought out how we're gonna do it.
All right, fair enough, fair
So
enough, fair enough.
let's take a step back and think it out.
Yeah. Me personally, I would do if statements because no switch statements because I'm not really familiar with dictionaries, but I'm down to do dictionaries. Never really
Here's
thought about
here's,
it.
here's my idea. We check the symbol, and we like
It's
it's I, like I
it's because for that, if we had a dictionary, we'll have to loop through the dictionary.
no, it's O of one,
Uh-huh.
because you're giving the key. The
Mm-hmm.
key is the iteration character that you're on. So
Uh-huh.
you know how for I and S, the I, the first iteration for this case is going to be L, and you
Mm-hmm.
check the key value of L in the dictionary.
Can we do
and
that?
it finds it. Yeah,
Can we just say get value of L?
get value of
Yeah.
L. Yes.
Alright, that works. For sure, for sure. Yeah, yeah, I'm down, I'm down. Alright.
And then
Okay.
from there, let's think
Uh-huh.
it out a little bit more.
Alright,
We will
let
just
me just
comment
write it
this.
out. Yeah, create dictionary, right?
Yeah.
Dictionary. Then we need an integer to hold the value that we actually need.
Answer. Yeah.
Integer total. Let's call it integer total. We have the total, and we have to get value from dictionary, right?
Get. Yeah. Yeah.
And then add it to total.
No. Check if that value is less than the next one.
Oh, it's because I
Right.
want to get the basis, like the basis of
Oh,
just getting
sorry.
the
Sorry.
value.
Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Because
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
feel like that will be a little bit more complicated, but I think we can do it. But yeah, for sure, we can do it. Let's see. Let's put it right here. Check if following value is less than or greater than cur, right?
And
So for
current.
this, we
Yeah.
need a for loop. I feel like I'm not sure. Maybe
Mm-hmm.
depends. Then add it to total. That's pretty much.
Okay.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yep, yep. All right. So you want to start with the dictionary?
Yeah. Let's do the dictionary.
All right. So for this one, so like this? No.
You can name it whatever you want.
Me?
Well, I guess you could say like Roman
Roman?
Roman values or whatever. Roman.
I'm just gonna call it Roman, so it could be easier to type. Roman. There you go.
Okay. And
Then
then
from
it'll
here,
be curly brackets.
curly brackets. Uh-huh.
And then we input it ourselves. So you do the character, and then I, and then I believe, oh, I think it's colon,
Uh-huh.
and then one, and then comma.
Oh, okay. I see. I get you. I
Yeah,
get
yeah,
you.
yeah.
All right. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And I'm gonna explain it while you're doing it.
Yes, sir.
So while Jose's doing this, basically what he's doing is he's storing in the code what characters, what values equals to that symbol. So you know how in the problem to the left it shows that the symbol I equals 1, the symbol V equals 5, symbol X equals 10. He's just telling the program those numbers so that whenever we do get those characters in the program in the future, it knows, okay, I equals 1, V equals 5, X equals 10. So we're just putting all that info there in hopes that it's easier than any other way that's also possible. We're thinking that this might be the easiest one as of right now. And hopefully that syntax is correct.
Yeah. Hopefully. If not, we can work this out. Of course, of course.
Yeah.
So now we got our
So we
dictionary.
got that.
Yeah, we have our int total.
Now he's creating a variable which will store the total sum of all the characters in the string.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
every number is going to go in there. So that's what total is used for.
Yes, yes. And then now we got that, and then we need to get the value from the dictionary, which now we're gonna use our iteration. So we can iterate
Yes.
through each of these values, the L, the V, the I. Basically here, what we're gonna try to do is get the L, right? And then we're gonna access a dictionary. We're gonna say, all right, go to L, which is this one, and get me the value, which is 50. And then from this, once we have the value 50, we're gonna add it to total. Then we're gonna go to V. Then we're gonna go to V, give me the value, which is 5, add it to total. Give me the value 5, which is 1, give me the value, add it to 1. give me the value of I, and like that, like that, like that. And that's where we have this total, because we're gonna be adding all each of the values of LVVI into that variable. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So that's the plan for this for loop. All right. So for here, how do we get the values?
So you're gonna do row. Oh, that's a
Roman?
good question.
All right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
How to access the value using key.
Values of a dictionary in Python. Hey, I like this playlist in the background. It's really nice. Yes, sir. All right. So you were right about the dictionary. All right. So we get model. Yes, we do this. So we get the name of the dictionary, get, and then we specify the key. Yes. So we're gonna go.
So couldn't you do?
Here we go Roman. Get I. Yes.
Get Roman. Wait. Go back to the tab.
It gets this dictionary.
Oh yeah, it has to be quote I.
Huh?
Oh wait. Yeah, no, you're right. You're right.
Okay, okay. You sure? You sure? Then from here we're gonna
go.
And
then I was thinking, do your thing, but I'll tell you in a second.
Okay, okay, okay. Totally. There you go. That should work. Right. For the few cases that we have. It's not gonna work for all of them, but it should work for the few. Oh, I have to return it. Do we have to return an integer, no?
Just print out total. Just
all right,
bet.
Let's see.
58.
You got 58.
Is that math? L is 50 plus 5 plus 3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. All right, let me see.
Now, let
me try to return it. Just so we won't get this error.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Okay. So we passed the first two, which are the bases, like the basics. Now we just need to figure out the after. But yeah, let me see. Yeah, you were saying something? Sorry, I interrupted.
Yeah, I was gonna say on line 15, I believe it would work the same way if we just put total plus equals Roman.
Oh yes. I get you. Like this?
Yeah. And you could delete the bottom one.
Yeah. It's because I wasn't
sure. And we can explain it.
I wasn't sure if Python had this, but yes, it does. So this is,
all right. You want to explain that?
You too. Your call.
Okay, I'll explain it real quick. So on line 15, we're what is it called? We're adding the value of that I character, right? Because we're iterating through the string. So the value of I at the time of that iteration for case 1 is, what is it, L?
Yes.
So right there, we're adding the value of L to total. And then it iterates again. The next value is V. And line 15 is just adding the value of V to total. And then it keeps going until the last character of the string. And then we're just returning the total, which means like just giving it out, like you're outputting the total of that is stored in that variable, so which is 58.
Yes, sir. Pretty much. Yes. Yeah.
Now we need to figure out. Go to case 3.
Case 3. Sure.
There's a symbol in that string that's less than the previous. That's less than
it's this one right here. It's not mistaken. Yes. Yeah. Yep.
I'm thinking. Yeah. So let's go through that one. How should it work?
All right. So basically, we have to get, since C, right, according to this table, is less than M, right? We have to get 100, the value of C, and subtract it by the value of M. So here, this
which is
value
a,
is
okay.
actually 900. So we have to figure out a way to say, okay, M, are you greater or less than C?
Uh-huh.
If
Be
M
greater.
is greater, no, ooh, here's another dilemma.
What
Because
happened?
this M is, wait, is M is greater than C,
Mm-hmm.
right? So we have to also check for that. But if, or no, we just have to check.
You just say if it's less than, then you subtract the next one. If it's not, then just add it to total.
Ooh, okay, yes, 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 yes.
Something
Because
like that.
it's,
Something like that.
yeah, largest to smallest, yes, yes. Largest to smallest. Okay, so if M is greater, no. If M is less than C, we do the subtraction, right? But if it's
You
greater, we keep
subtract
going. Yes,
you
yes.
subtract M from C, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So
Wait,
since,
wait a minute. Wait a minute. I got an idea.
uh-huh,
Tell me what you think.
uh-huh.
I don't know. I haven't thought it all through, but tell me what you think. You add all of them up, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then you mark down which numbers were less than the one after. You get me?
Oh, okay,
And you
like C.
subtract that from the
Uh-huh.
total that you already have.
Ooh, yes, yes, yes.
Do you get it?
I think that will work. Yeah, 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 for
You get
sure.
like like you if it's
This
less than the
is
next one, then
100.
you add it to a certain
Yep,
variable.
yep.
And then once everything's done, then you just subtract the total from that certain variable that holds this total sum of all the less than
Yeah.
values.
Uh-huh. I feel
And
that.
it should, I feel like that might work, but
Yeah, I feel like that might work too. Yes, yes. Because you just subtract C and subtract X. Yeah, that would work. Yeah, for sure.
all right.
Yeah,
Let's try
yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah, for sure, for sure. That would work. All right. Okay. So here. Okay. So now how we would check.
So you just have one if
Hmm.
statement, right? It'll just be
Mm-hmm.
if the character is less than the next one,
Mm-hmm.
then add it to a different variable, which is we could call it like
Or
less
we could just
than. I don't
subtract
know.
it from total.
Ah,
Yeah. Uh-huh.
yeah, yeah,
We could subtract it from total, and then
yeah,
total can be negative, right? Because if we have a
yes,
positive over here, we just like eliminate all the negatives, and we still have a positive number.
yeah.
Yeah. All right. I like that. I like that. But I was thinking
I
the out of
think that would work.
bounds. I'm thinking
That well,
about the
the
out
out
of
of bounds we could
bounds.
figure it out. We could do the for I in range of length s. That
All
might
right.
fix it.
All right. So it's gonna be for I in range of length S, like this.
Yeah.
Well,
Hmm.
would we still get I? Will we still get like the value like I V X L?
You might have to then I might have to be s s bracket I like in the on line 15.
Oh yeah, yeah. I got you like this.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. All right. So
There
we'll
still
say.
might be an out of bounds issue, but I think it's a just a simple fix. But
All right. Yeah, yeah,
uh,
for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure. But we'll see. Let's see. Let's check. Let's check. So if if let's see Roman get as value. If the value that we have right now is greater than or equal to Roman dot get as I. Oh, we don't use brackets in here. We go total plus equal Roman dot get as I, like that. Not
si plus
mistake.
1, right?
If I, yes sir, that's one right there. Uh-huh. Else Roman dot get as I. That should work. So now we're subtracting the value that we have from the total. if that makes sense. Sir, yes, sir.
Else,
Uh-huh.
I'm thinking it out. Okay, that's gonna be an out of bounds. But I remember there was one problem I worked on, and it was like you start from the on the second. You know how you start at zero
Mm-hmm.
index, right?
Mm-hmm.
You start at index one, and you check the one previous of it,
Yeah. Yeah,
and
that could
then
work.
that will eliminate the out of bounds issue because you're saying I minus one. I think we should do it like that.
But also we're gonna skip the first one.
Yeah, so in the range one, you put one comma length dot s because you start off at one,
Uh-huh.
and then the end will be length dot s. Oh, length s.
Yeah, but we're gonna skip the index 0 though. I think so,
You're gonna
no?
skip it as the first one, but you're still gonna compare it in the if statement. You're gonna say Roman dot get si greater than equal to or less than equal to Roman dot get si minus one, accessing the one
Oh, I
previous.
see, I see. Yeah, yeah. I see, I see, I
Yeah.
see, I see, I see, I see. I see, I see. Yep, yep, yep. So like this. Then it would go. So all the
You
i's are
would
-1.
no that I will stay the same.
No, but we are accessing the previous one though. No?
Yeah. So in the for loop, you're gonna put for I, it's still gonna stay I, and then
Uh-huh.
in the range before that, you're gonna put one,
Like
comma.
the.
There you go. So the way range works is like it starts off at one, and
Yeah.
then
All the way
the
to.
length is the last one.
Yep, yep, yep.
So and I is gonna be one, like si.
Mm-hmm. Yep,
That's
yep.
gonna be one, and then it's gonna be if that is greater than Roman dot get si minus one, then you add it, right? Because that means the s minus one is less than. Oh no no,
Mm,
but less than. You gotta switch it to less than.
yeah, but what happened? Are we gonna still add the first one though? Like because we're starting at C, right? We're comparing it to M. Wait, I think yeah, yeah, let's see. So
You
like
would
this, right?
the line 16 will still be the same. It'll be I minus one. You're adding that first index. But
Uh,
the line 15, you start off at si.
but we're still gonna be skip one though.
Yes, you're skipping one, but you're still comparing it
But we're gonna
with.
but we're gonna skip this value now, because we're adding the previous value. You get me? Because we're at
No,
C.
I will reach that. I
I would,
will reach v.
but we're doing I -1 though.
Uh, hmm.
You get me?
I
Because I
see. I
will
see what you're
reach
saying right there.
I will reach V, but we're accessing the one previous. But I think there's a workaround that where we just have to acknowledge the previous and the current one. For example, yes, M. Mm, yes, I think you're right. M, if M is no is if M is greater than Roman numeral I, we're gonna add. Oh,
Wait a minute.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wait a
I'm
minute.
thinking. I'm thinking. All right, all right.
If
Mm.
if v if I is less than v, then
Because I does get here, right? But since we're gonna be working with I -1, it's just gonna get up to here until the I.
Hmm.
You get me? I don't know.
Okay. Then maybe we should switch back to the other way, and
Mm,
then
it's because I feel like,
figure out the out of bounds issue from there.
oh, let me see. There's probably a way to do it like this because we have to acknowledge the last one in the first one. Boom, 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 boom. Hmm. What if we do it in twos? No, but what if it's even odd? Alright, let's see. Just keep it in mind. Alright. Like this. Let's see if that works. Yeah, we get index out of range. Yes, sir. Yeah, because it's going to the next one.
Okay, here's the other option that I
Right?
got. So we're not gonna use in range. We will do I and S if oh wait.
Let's think.
Okay, couldn't we add another test case if I plus 1 is greater than length S, then you just add it to the total or something like that. Like we'll just add another case so it won't, you know what I'm saying?
No, not really.
So it won't do line 15 because if I plus 1 is greater than length S, oh, okay, right there. And you're gonna put I plus 1 is not greater than
I
I
plus
plus
one.
1
Uh-huh.
is not, or yeah, not greater than you. I think it's just NOT.
Not greater than.
Greater than length S.
S.
Right? What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
Let's see,
Something
let me
along
see.
the lines of that. Something
Yep,
along
I
the lines
get
of
you, get you. Hmm,
But that doesn't mean you subtract it because so there has to be another
It's
way.
because, yes, but I feel like the program is still gonna get here and it's gonna give us an error.
Okay, then you do it before it. You do an if statement before it.
Okay.
After line 14.
Mm-hmm.
So like
I'm seeing.
it'll be a nested if statement.
Let me see. I'm thinking.
Think about it. Think about it.
Yeah.
Take your time.
Because I'm getting the value and then I'm checking. I feel there's a way to just. Because I feel like the -1 was working. There was a way to do it.
Wait, I just got my grade back for my Calculus 2 test. I didn't
Ooh.
see it. Did you get it?
Nah. Let's see. Little sidetrack here.
Quick sidetrack. Time out.
Time out. Oh, I gotta do it. Let me see. Let me turn off
Alright.
the display
Yeah.
capture. Sorry guys. 1 second. 1 second.
I'm just looking at it on my phone.
Oh, we can do. Yeah, that's so true. You're so smart, brother. Let me see. Ooh, you excited?
Oh, I already saw it.
What'd you get?
I already saw it. I don't want to say it.
Is it good?
Oh, it's good.
Yes,
It's
sir. Yes, sir. How many digits?
3 digits.
Yes, sir.
3 digits, baby.
3 digits, my boy. That's what we need.
Is this gonna be the first time I get a higher grade than Jose?
Woo!
We might have
What's
to
yours?
see.
What's yours?
You already got yours?
I got mine.
106.
Today's not your
Valentino
day,
Day.
my boy. Today's not your day, my boy.
It's never my day.
Nah,
How
nah,
about
nah,
that?
nah, nah. Nah, it's always your day, buddy. That's
Okay.
always, brother. Yes,
I'm,
sir.
I'm gonna I'll take a 106 any day, man.
Yeah,
That's all day.
dude. Hey, brother, but let's go. Let's go. Yes,
That's
sir.
what we're talking about. All right,
Yes,
get your stream
sir.
back.
All right, I got you. I got you. All right, I think we're back. Yes, we are. All right, so I was
All right.
thinking, right? All right. All right, let's see. I'm open paint, right?
All right. Paint time.
Yeah, paint time. Paint, more like pain. All right, so we have the following characters. It's LVI. No, it's M C M X C I V. All right. We know this value. C is, what is it? I know C is less, right? And this is bigger. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
less. This is bigger. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So our dilemma here is that we're scanning this one and we're scanning this one at the same time, right?
Yep.
So for our viewers, what we're running, our problem is, like I said right now, that we're scanning two items. We're scanning the current and the following one. Yes.
Yep.
So we're good, right? We scan this one, 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 we scan this one. But when we get to the V, we're gonna scan the following one, but there's nothing there. That's what we call an out of bounds error, because we're out of bounds. We have nothing there. We passed the
And
limit of character there.
that's because each time we're checking, we're doing two at a time.
Uh-huh.
So it's
Yes, sir.
MC, it's CM, it's MX, it's
Uh-huh.
XC, CI, IV, and then after that will be V and then blank. There's nothing else after that. So that's why it's like, bro, like, what do you want me to check? There's nothing else after that. And then they dish
Exactly.
out an error. They're like, there's nothing else to check.
Exactly.
So
exactly.
we're trying to
Yes,
figure
sir.
out how do we tell it to stop at V. And I think we have the solution. We just gotta say, like before, if I is greater than
This one is also another.
the length of the whole size of the string, then don't continue. Just
Exactly.
spit
Stay
back.
in there. Yes, sir. So
So would
now,
that mean it would always add to the total at the end, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. So that means if you're at the last one, then just add it to the total because it's not going to be less than anything.
Ooh, that is true. Okay,
You get me? You catch me?
I catch your drift. I catch your drift. Yes,
catch
sir. I catch your drift. So basically, we're gonna check this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and we check if we're at the end, at V.
Yes. By
Yes.
saying I, well,
Uh-huh.
the value of I would be 1, 0, 1,
0,
2.
1, 2,
No,
3,
yeah.
4, 5, 6. It'll be 6.
It'll be 6. And the length of
It'll be 7.
no, it'll be 6 as well. Length calculates it as
0, 1, 2, 3.
well, actually print it out. I gotta double check.
All right. Oh, let me see. Just check. What does? Let me see. What does? How does he? All right. All right. Let me see number of characters, but I want to see how many. Let's see. Well, that's 5. Yeah, it prints out 5. Exactly 5. So that means we have to check -1. So this would be -1 because this would be Len is 7 and I will be 6.
Mm-hmm.
So -1 is will equal 6. if I'm not mistaken.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna check. If I is equal to len s minus 1, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna go. I'm thinking.
Total plus equals
Yeah.
I or SI, whatever.
It's I.
That should be it. Should be. And then you delete the on line 17, the and.
Yep. And here, I guess we have to add a return.
I mean, at the end of the for loop, I'll still do it.
Okay. But I don't want it for it to get here. If that makes sense.
It won't, because if it meets if, then it'll
Oh,
just,
that is so true.
it'll
Yep.
move on.
You're smart. Let's see.
Come on.
Oof.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Roman.
Okay, hold up. It's not over yet.
Come on, boy. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Alright.
Wait.
That's the first step. It's a test cases. Test cases.
Sometimes.
Ready for the submit?
Okay, come on.
Alright, buddy. Let's go. Yes, sir. We in here. Yes, sir. Hey, that was good.
That's not bad.
Our solution was 0.6%. Hey, our solution was one of the fastest. Damn.
Hey, so it says.
Damn.
All right, now we gotta bring it
Explain
all
it a little
back
bit.
and explain it. Yeah.
You want to
I'll
do
let
it, or
you
are
do your
you?
thing. You can
Alright,
do it.
bet. So for the viewers that are coming in, right, if you're here, type in the chat, of course, so we can give you a shout out. Basically, what we did here is we created a dictionary. Dictionary is basically a dictionary. Think of it as a regular dictionary where we have a word and it has a
You
definition.
should highlight the dictionary.
Oh yeah, I got you. So yeah, there you go. So it's like a regular dictionary. We have a word and we have a definition, right? Let's say you want to look for the word hello, right? You go to the dictionary, you search up the word hello, and then it has a definition, right? Here is basically the same thing. We have a value and it has a definition, right? So
Hi,
let's
Mom.
say, hey yo, shout out.
Shout out, mama.
Hey,
Mama.
shout out. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for the support. Yes, sir. Hopefully you're having fun time seeing your son struggle, Well, we here.
Just a little bit.
Yes, sir. I think you deserve some homemade food after this, brother. I'm just saying. All right. But here, so we have a dictionary, right? We have a value and a definition, right? For example, let's say I'm looking for the value I, right? And the value I, which is this one, has a definition of a value 1, right? For example, then we look for a value X has a definition of 10, right? So that's how basic dictionaries have. They have a key and a value, right? And then later on we create a variable where we're gonna hold the total amount of the value of the entire expression, right? And this we just set it to 0 because we have nothing, right? But this variable comes into play on this for loop. So for loop, just a quick little sum up. It's a loop that iterates through X amount of times. For this time, we did it for length S, right? For the length of the expression, of this expression. In this case, this expression has 2, 4, 6, 7, a length of 7, right? So we're gonna iterate through this for loop, through this piece of code 7 times, right? In this piece of code, we're basically doing the following. We say, all right, okay, get me the value, right, of the key that I have, right, which is SI. This little piece of code is interesting because it basically says, all right, give me whatever character is on S on position I, right? So I starts at 0, right? So we go to position 0 of the string, which is M, and we get this value. So now this thing equals M, right? And now
Mm-hmm.
it says
Perfect.
Roman.get M, right? Since this equals M
Yep.
already, this following code says Roman.get M. This function says, all right, go to the Roman dictionary, which is this one, get me the value, go to the word, right, per se, M, right, and give me its definition, which is 1,000. So now we get that 1,000 and put it right here, right?
Yes.
And then we go to
Yes.
and we say, all right, is 1,000 greater than or equal to Roman get Si plus 1? Now this thing does exactly the same thing as this one, right? But we just go to the following character, which is C, right? And they say, all
Yep.
right, go
Yep.
to the dictionary, get me the value C, go to the value C, go to the key C, and give me its definition, which is 100, and put it right here. And now we
Yep.
check,
Yep.
is 1,000 greater than 100? Yes. So then we
Yes.
add it to total. So here's where the variable total comes in. We're just gonna start adding, we're gonna go through each of these characters and we're gonna start adding its values. So let's say we go to C, we get 100, we add it, we go to M, we go M, we get 1,000, we add it, right? But we have to take into consideration the problem where if one of the characters, for example C, is less than the following character M, we have to subtract it, right? So me and Carlos figured out a way to just like skip all that math and say, oh well, why not just subtract it from total, right? So we go, so if C, right, for example, is less than M, right, we subtract it from total. So that way we can get like the actual value that we need. And yeah, so this
Yeah.
loop just goes over 7 times, right? It goes through each of the characters M, C, M, X, C, I, V, and it's gonna do all of that, right? And then we had a problem called an out of bounds problem. And Carlos and I came up with this where we basically checked if I is on the last character, V, just add it, right? Since there's no other character to compare it with. So this is pretty much what we did, the simulation we came up with, right? And it's actually pretty fast.
Yeah.
I
I'm
did it,
actually
I did
shocked.
it. Yeah, we're 2% of the entire like everything.
Mm-hmm.
So hey, we're good. We're good. So we
Yeah.
beat 99.89 of the solutions on Python 3. So that's pretty good, online. That's really really
That's pretty
good.
good.
Yeah. So yeah, this hopefully you
I
guys.
might take a picture of this and put it on my wall or something.
Yeah, yeah, go for it,
Beats
brother. Go for it.
99.89. That's
Of
crazy.
the yes sir, yes sir. Nah, dude,
All
actually
right.
I
That was a
wasn't.
good explanation. I don't think
Uh-huh.
there's anything else I would add.
Yep. If
Um,
you. Yeah, for sure, for
explained it
sure.
pretty well. Um, I think we should just do one more, an easy one. Let's look
An
for an
easy
easy
one, an
one.
easy one, easy one.
Yeah,
All right,
I think we
bet,
got
bet.
time for one more.
One more. All right, bet, bet,
Yeah.
bet. All right. So this,
So I'm glad we got
this.
that one out of the way because I wasn't looking forward to that
Yeah, I
one.
thought it was gonna be harder, right? But I don't know. The fact that we're
I think
working
it
on
would
it
have if we
together.
did it that the way we're thinking of it in the beginning, like
Uh
oh
huh.
if else if else if
Yeah,
else,
yeah, yeah. I feel
instead
like
of
yeah,
just
just
adding
grabbing
everything
it.
up,
Uh huh.
subtracting it as you
Yeah.
go. Like
Yes, sir. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's crazy. Because I feel like a lot of people went with the if statements, with the switch cases, and boom, boom,
yeah.
boom, they did all that. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
All
actually, let's
right.
look. I mean, couldn't it?
Oh, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
We can also see what others did.
Yeah, yeah.
Solution.
Solutions. Python 3. Best method. Let's see. Uh, I think no, they did a map tree here, which is kind of
Hmm.
similar, right? But it's a little bit more complex.
Honestly, I can't even
but it's
explain what's happening, so I
yeah.
don't even want to. I just
But they did the same thing.
actually,
They subtracted two ants, and they added two ants, which
yeah,
is the
go to
same
the
thing.
submission
Oh, this is no
again.
Python. Oh, wait. Give me 1 second. I went back. Sorry. Submission
Yeah, click it, and then click in the middle. Click like
right here.
yeah,
All
yeah,
right, let's
click that
see.
one. Huh,
Mm,
that looks almost similar to ours.
it does look similar to
So
ours.
why did we get better results?
Hmm. I'm not
Curious.
sure. I'm not sure. You see, this was what I was thinking to get the out of bounds.
Hmm.
Yeah, to just go -1. Yes. I don't know. This looks a little bit better, nice. Not a lot of code.
Yeah, that one actually looks better than ours. But hey, I ain't complaining.
Hey, I ain't complaining
I ain't
too.
complaining.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All
All
right,
right.
let's get
Let's
one more
see.
in.
Let's see. Yes,
Uno
sir.
más. Uno
Uno más.
más.
Uno más. So this lecture we're gonna keep it short, right? 'Cause tomorrow we have
Yeah.
school and all that stuff, and it's our day, or we're coming back from spring break and everything. So we're taking it easy, is there in? But further live streams, I feel like it's gonna be like 2 hours or so. We're gonna actually have time to finish 2 to 3 problems for sure, decent problems. But
Yeah.
yeah.
Change it to easy.
Yeah. All right, easy.
Let's see, which
Okay,
one sounds
okay.
easy?
Uh, remove duplicates from sorted lists.
Usually the ones that have like a high percentage rate are
All
like the
right, the
easy ones.
easiest. Yeah. All right, this one has 52. Uh,
I
huh.
don't want to do binary search,
Yeah,
jeez.
yeah. Balance
Um,
strip. Yep.
Single
Uh,
number, what was that up there?
single number right here. Let's see.
72%?
Given a non-empty array of strings nums, every element appears twice except for one. Find the single one. You must implement this.
Oh,
Ooh. With a linear
oh.
runtime complexity and use only a constant extra space. Alright, this is kinda
I think that's
okay.
easy in my opinion.
Yeah,
Well,
but
you
we have
already have an idea.
alright, okay, go for it.
So you just have like uh the highest, you have an highest variable.
Uh-huh.
You just iterate it. If that number is greater than highest, then add it to highest. Wait. I'm sorry.
No,
Oh,
yeah.
I'm
No,
thinking
because
about it
we
differently.
yeah, because we have to check which one doesn't have a pair, pretty much.
Mm,
Like for example, 1, 4, and 1. And I have a solution for this one. We just grab each number and iterate through all. Ooh, it's because we have linear runtime.
that means it should only run once, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is tough.
I mean, I don't know if this counts as linear, but you could do a dictionary again,
Mm-hmm.
and when you're iterating through the array, you're adding them to the dictionary. For the dictionary with only
Oh,
one, you
yeah.
return it.
Yeah. Like remember that time the lab past live stream we did something like that?
A what?
Past live stream we did something like that with a dictionary.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
But would that still be considered linear?
Mm, I'm I'm pretty No, I don't think so.
What do the topics say? Does the topic say anything?
Bit manipulation,
Oh, an
bro. Oh,
array.
damn, bro.
No, we ain't doing that one.
No,
Array.
yeah.
We'll do the array method. So you could do it with an array. Hmm.
But how do we do it with an array? I mean, we can.
Every element appears twice except for one.
Mm-hmm. Damn, this one, it's a thinker one. It's a thinker one. It's a thinker one. Because what really messes me up is the linear runtime. That's 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 what like kind of like you know
I'm
gets
thinking. I'm
me
thinking.
gets me thinking.
I'm thinking like you could sort the array and then
It's because I don't think sorting will help. Because
I
what if
don't think so
we?
either.
Because we might get just like a big number, like a big random number.
Hmm.
Hmm. Me thinking, me thinking.
I'm glad we had the lo-fi music in the background.
Hey, actually, this lo-fi music's kind of good, dude. I like it. Guys in the chat, tell me if you guys, can hear the live stream, can hear the what's it called, the music. If it's not too loud, if it's not too low, just to make sure. So I'm hearing it perfectly. I don't know about you.
Let's see. I think it sounds pretty good.
Yep, I bet. So, ooh, because two. Yeah, because we cannot do a nested for loop because that's n squared. Bro, those data structures, bro, it's coming in now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I still think the dictionary.
The dictionary?
Actually, nah, that's not linear runtime. That's like because you could use yeah, you gotta iterate through the dictionary again.
Uh-huh. But I
Hmm.
was thinking,
Is there hints?
mm,
I'm down for a hint.
you're down for a hint?
Oh, no hint,
No
no hint.
hints. Oof. Maybe
A lot of
uncommons?
people like it, so there's
Discussions?
we're just wait, whoa, whoa.
Emotional
Emotional
damage?
damage.
Okay.
Oh,
Alright, no, whoa. We don't want
I
answers. We
saw
don't
I
want answers.
saw a hint. I saw a hint.
You saw? Oh,
I
bro.
think so. I think so.
What was it? What was it?
Something about X or
Oh, XOR. Okay.
unless it wasn't related to the thing.
Okay. Oh, I'm thinking, dude. Hmm. Damn. Mm-hmm.
I got it.
All right, go for it. Go for it.
Okay, maybe I don't got it, but ready?
You go for it. Go for it. Let's see.
You
Let's see.
you have a dictionary, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You're putting let's do the first case. Actually the second case too, right? So the array is 4 1 2 1 2, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, my mom says music sounds great.
Yeah. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Thank you.
So we start with 4. We
Uh-huh.
check if 4 is in a dictionary. If
Mm-hmm.
it's not, then we put it in the dictionary, right? Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we put it into a variable that we call it single or whatever, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you go to the next one. If wait.
I think that works. I
Okay.
think that works.
If 1 is in the dictionary, it's not. So then,
Oops.
oh wait. Oh, that's when you sort it. Okay. Look, here's when you sort it. Think about it. You sort it, right? It goes
Mm-hmm.
from least to greatest.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's 1 1 2 2 4. So
Mm-hmm.
you start at 1. 1 is it in the dictionary? No. Add it to the dictionary. add it to the variable single or whatever it's called.
Mm-hmm.
It stores the value 1. Then it goes next one. It's 1.
Mm-hmm.
Is that in the dictionary? Yes. So that means that's not the single one. So then you go
Mm-mm.
to the next one. Is that in the dictionary? No. You put it in the dictionary, you add it to the single. Then you go to the next
Okay.
one, which will be 2. Is 2 in the dictionary? Yes. So it's not that one. You go to the next one. Is 4 in the dictionary? No. You add it to single. And then once it reaches to the end, then you just return that value. The only issue that I have with this is that if you do the sorted algorithm, the sorted function,
Uh-huh.
that's that's
Another
technically an what's up?
yeah, I like your idea, but what if, for example, we said sorting, right? We're gonna do
Yeah,
1, 1, 2, 2, 4, right?
yeah,
One, we're gonna add this one to the dictionary, right? But now one is the single one, right?
yes,
Yes, and then but one, and then we add this one over here, right? To the dictionary, right? But one is still the this, and then two, since it's not in the dictionary, two becomes the single one now.
yes.
Yeah, right? And then we add this two, right? And then four is not in the dictionary, so now four is the one, the single one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all right. But now, okay, I see you, I see you. But now, what if, right? What if we have the following thing? 2, 3, 3, right? One, we added here, one here, right? We now these two are in the dictionary. Two is not in the dictionary, so this becomes a single. We add two in the dictionary. Three is not in the dictionary, but now three is a single one. But two is a single one. You get me? Because we're gonna override it.
No, I see that,
Yeah, a little bit.
I see that. But
Just uh-huh.
there could be a way where you could like check, like okay, if you check if single, the value of single,
Mm-hmm.
if the length in the dictionary is 1, then that means you don't do anything with. Oh, okay, I got it. I got it.
Okay, okay,
Since
okay.
it's
Uh-huh.
sorted, and the question says there's only one that's single. Then if the next one is 3 and the previous one was already there, you know what I'm saying? Like if the next value is not what the previous one was, then that means that previous one is the value. So you don't even have to iterate through the rest.
That is true. Yes, 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 yes. But you also gave me an idea. What if we
What's the
just
idea?
sort the array, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we just check this one and this one, 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 this one and this one. Like with twos. You get me?
Okay, how would that work?
Like for example, we'll check these two. They're the same, right? So these are not the single ones. Check these two. These are not the same, right? So we have 2 and 3, right? That possible ones, right? Oh, never mind, never mind, never mind. Yes, yes. Because it's gonna be odd, odd. They're always gonna be odd.
Hmm. I think that one would work, the top one. I think you're onto something though.
Yeah, but I'm not
That
sure.
might be a little bit more complicated, in my opinion.
Yeah, yeah.
It might be. It might be.
Damn.
Hmm.
can we just have a counter, right? Oh no, never mind. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Because it all comes down to this, the linear runtime of complexity. Because we can do, I was thinking the same thing with a dictionary, and we just have a counter and be like, all right, add this one to the dictionary, add +1.
I see what you're saying. Let's try what I was thinking.
Okay, yes.
Which what's the concern with that one? What was your concern with that one?
With the dictionary?
Yeah, I guess. I guess.
With this one?
Yeah.
Is a 2. Like in this situation, this 2, right, is gonna get overridden by 3. Because yes, we have the single variable, right? We're gonna go single 1, right? Because 1's not there. 2, single's gonna go to 2 because 2's not there, right? But also 3's not there the first time, so single is gonna equal 3. So 2 is gonna be erased, and now our single is gonna equal to 2.
Well, you think if we have that system in place where if the next one is a different number, then that means that's a single one?
I mean, if it's sorted, yes.
Like
but I don't know if sorting it is gonna add like linear, like more complexity.
That's what I was thinking. Like there's a possibility that whenever you use a sorted function, that's gonna throw off the linear thing.
Yeah.
Hold on, I just thought of something else. Give me a second.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm thinking.
All right, because we have what LeetCode nums. Because I don't know, because people, according to these discussions, well, I haven't gone over them, but I think they do the bit manipulation. But I don't know how to do all that.
Yeah, I wouldn't know what it's talking about. Maybe we go into the discussion then. Maybe we see what the
discussion. All right. Are you sure? 100%.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I'm down to do it.
All right, I'm sure then.
All right. Let's see. So as far as I know, it's possible to solve one space. If you don't, since space-wise pairs don't come up with actual pair, I think its problem is bad. I see there need to be question. Okay. All right. So we have this. This guy gave us this. This is XOR 0 0. So we have trying to see what is this. So we have 0 XOR 2, which is 2. 0 XOR to 2 XOR to 2 equals 0. 0 XOR
the wrong one.
Why?
I don't know what it's. I know we're learning this, but I don't really know the chain XOR.
The XOR?
I wouldn't know how to code that in Python.
Okay, I see.
But maybe we could go down more. What else
all right. Yeah, this guy said the order. So 8 equals 1 to 0, 15 equals this, 7, 7 equals 15. The best solution is use the bit shifting idea. It's used to add bits on speed seems good. 2 bits. To be honest, I'm kinda lost on how to do this one.
Yeah.
Because I feel like if we actually sit down and read through it, I feel like we can figure it out. But but I don't know if you're down to do it.
I mean, I think it's a little bit out of our scope, in my
Yeah,
opinion.
yeah.
So that's
Hey,
why, like, it's
Carol, welcome to the stream.
That's why I think it's a
Yeah,
little unfair
yeah,
for us to work on this if we're not really like. I was thinking it was gonna be like using an array or something,
yeah.
but it's talking about bit level operations. I don't
Yes,
think
and
that's fair to
yeah,
us to work
yeah,
on.
for sure, for sure. I feel like for next stream, we could do this one, dedicate like a good amount of the stream to this one to actually learning how bitwise works. Just sir.
There
If you're
has to be
down,
an easy problem, like the
yeah.
easiest one. What's the easiest one?
Let's see.
We can't go out like
We,
that.
we can't go out with like that, yes sir.
No,
Let's see. Add 2 numbers.
that's medium.
It's medium. Yeah, no, heck no. Easy.
I could tell you which one's easy. Let's see. I think uh, length of last word sounds easy.
Length of last words.
Yeah, last word.
Oh yeah, this one seems easy.
Yeah, I think this one's easy.
Yeah, we can split it up, right? Split it up into an array.
Yeah.
Then we just figure it out. Get the last word, right? And just get the
Yeah.
length. You get me?
And the length, yeah.
Yeah. Did you do one? Did you do this one
I
already?
think I've done this one.
Yeah. Alright, bet. We'll
So
figure it out.
I'm gonna let you do it.
Alright. Let's see. You're gonna help me out on like the Python
I'm
stuff.
just curious on example 2. I forgot how I did the test case for example 2, but
Alright, okay.
You got the idea already. Like it's like the idea's already there.
Okay.
So
Words.
I'm here.
Words. Let me see if I can do this. Start split. Tell me my like when I'm writing it's wrong or right. If I write anything.
I got you.
Or I in arrange. Wait. Let's see. I want to see what I'm printing out. For I in arrange for in length of for in words. I want to see what I'm printing out.
Okay.
In the world. Let me see what this one is. Fly me to the moon. No. No. There we go. Let's see. Alright, so we do to the moon. Alright, so we do get this. We get like all of this. Okay. I just have to go backwards.
I think I got it.
I have to go backwards for. But how do I go backward? How do I start? Like on the last element. on
Yeah, I
Python.
believe you would have to do in range.
In range?
Yeah, you would do in range, and you would start at the length of the array,
Oh,
and
okay, okay, yeah,
then
yeah, yep. I
to
get you, I get you, I
zero.
get you. Yeah. Words -1 all the way to 0. All
Something like
right, all right. If I space print print nothing. Let me see if if this thing works. I. Let's see, let's see, let's see. We in here, we in here. Oh, we're not printing anything. Oof. Is this a thing? Where the let's see.
I have a suggestion.
Uh-huh.
If you want to go in the reverse way, you could use a reverse function and then just iterate through that.
Oh, would it be reverse?
I'm not too sure. I get a little confused on how to write it, but
Let's
there's
see.
definitely a reverse function.
Yeah, because I remember you did it last time, no? Wait, wait, wasn't there the colon -1 thing?
There is, but that gets the last. Wait. Yeah, I think the
Yeah.
search of colon -1. I think
All
you're
right.
right.
See, colon -1 do in Python.
Yeah, reverse is the order. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got it.
Yep. All right, but so to do this, what do I have to do? What do I have to do? Okay. Yeah. Um. Think. Uh. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think.
You're there. You're there.
I'm close. I'm close. I can feel it. Cause so you reverse a string.
Yeah, since you split it, I would reverse it after that. Or maybe there's a way you could iterate through the reverse string all in one line.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I get you. Get you. Verse. Words. So I. But what is this? I'm not sure. Is it white space? Is it blank? Oh, I think my headphones died.
Let me know when you need help. What you thinking? Oh, just got word that Jose's headphones died. So give him a moment.
Let me capture a little bit.
Yo, yo.
Yo,
Hello, you can hear me?
I hear you. Yeah.
Yes? Alright, okay, I think I'm back. I'm using my laptop microphone.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah. Yeah, my headphone just died. Damn, okay. I'm going back to
All
the
good.
stream. Yes, sir. Alright, there you go. According to this, I don't know. I know how to spell reverse. 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 Oh.
The only thing is that I'm hearing myself twice in the
Oh,
stream.
really? Let me see. Give me one second. Yo, yo.
Hello.
Hello? Is it better?
All right. Yeah, I
Yeah?
think so. There's. I'm waiting for the stream to catch up.
Yes.
Yeah, sounds good. Sounds
Yeah,
good.
alright, but I had to get the replacement ones. I
Alright.
got you.
We're
All
here.
right.
We're here.
We're here. Okay,
Okay.
so
Let me know when you need a hint.
Alright,
Or
wait,
when you
wait.
need help. You need assistance.
no, it's because my problem right now is what is
Print words. I.
yeah, no, yes, I get 7, but I'm trying to know what's. Oh my god, I don't know how to type. There we go. Trying to see what the empty space is. Like this. Is it space? Is it? Because if it is space. Oh. Hello. Because I think I know how to fix it. Yes, hello. Then it's okay.
It's reversed.
It is reversed. So this
You
is
got something there.
empty. So this is empty space. Is there a way to check if it's a character? Oh no, it's because it is gonna be a character. Python character. I don't know how to check. Okay, is a string. Let's see. Damn, it's because that's where I'm struggling right now, like trying to figure out which one is which. Get me?
I think it's a space. Put a space.
space?
In the middle. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a function called is white space as well.
Or oh, that's like this, white space.
Something like that. You would have to
Let's
search
check.
it.
This space.
Okay.
Alright, how does it work? Okay, fair enough. So it's gonna be I dot is white is space. Alright. Alright, let me run it. Am I missing something?
It's words.
Yeah, yeah. Damn, I can't. I'm rusty.
No, don't worry about it. You're here.
Still printing something. Damn. What the heck?
If white space equals true or not, by default it should already. Right?
Yeah, it should be already set. Yeah, because this is the toughest one. The space, and it's empty space. Let's see.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, I like this.
There you go.
All right, so now is not equal to 0. It's the length of the last one, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
All right, that should work. Oh.
You gotta output the length.
Oh, dude, I'm losing it right now.
No.
Oh, there you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's check it.
Let's check it. Yes, sir. Hey, I beat 96%, bro. Let's go.
That's good.
We in here.
Now explain it.
All right.
Quickly,
so basically,
explica.
yes. All right. So we decided to do one that was easier because the other one is a bit harder because I went into more complex type stuff, right? But so we decided to do this one. I think Carlos already did it, if I'm not mistaken. So this was more like of a personal challenge, right? So and Carlos was guiding me here and there, so I thank him for that. But basically here we get a string, right? For example, hello world, or fly me to the moon. Luffy's a joy boy, still a joy boy. Hey, thank you, Ali. Yo, the music is tad too loud. All right. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna lower it a little bit.
That's clutch.
Appreciate
it, Ali.
Thank you. All right, tell me if it works. Lower down about like 0.5%. You sir. So basically here we're getting we want the length of the last word. For example, here would be joy boy, here would be moon, here would be hello world, because it's the last word of the string. So essentially here we split up the string by spaces. So hello world would be split up by in the middle. So now we have hello world and link two different things. Then we split up. Yes, all right. Hopefully that works. Ali, thank you for the feedback. Thank you. Yes, all right, I'm glad it's way better. Yes. So guys, if you guys tell me if the music is too loud or anything, tell me guys, we'll fix it up here. But I hope it's better now. But yeah, so now we use the split function to split the strings into the different spaces, so we can have like access to the actual words. And then here we do the reverse function to reverse everything. So now we're reading moon D to me fly, and over here we'll be reading world hello. Over here we'll be reading joy boy still is Luffy. And we do that so it'd be easier, right? Since we want the length of the last word, right? And now we create a for loop to iterate through the words, and we just check, all right, if the first word right? In this case, moon or joy boy. If that length is not 0, right, return its length. So that way we get the length of the last the word. So hopefully
And by
that made
doing
sense. But
by
yeah.
doing that, right, is saying like if it's a space,
Mm-hmm.
then the length is 0, right?
Oh yes.
So that means it skips it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it would skip that space right there, and then it will go into the next one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because technically, in that, whenever you split it, that space is also in the string.
Yes. Yes.
I
It's
mean,
on the
in
string.
the list that you got,
Mhm.
the words list.
Just
So it'll be
yes.
space, moon, space, the, and we want to remove those spaces.
Mhm.
We want it just to be moon, the, to, me, fly. So
Yes,
by
yes.
doing that number, or line number 7, you're skipping the spaces
Yeah.
until you finally hit a character, which does have a length, because if it's
Yes.
a character, it has to have a length.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. So Carlos explained it perfectly how the spaces worked. But yeah, so it was a little bit of easy problem, but I was having trouble how to like reverse it and stuff. But yeah, for sure. It was a good one to end the night out. You get me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think it's time to bring in the cameras together.
Bring in the
Do a
cameras
final-
together. I got
call.
you. I got you.
We need to get a background eventually.
Yes. No, and I want to have like the settings, like where I just
The
click like
scenes, right?
the
You just click the
scenes,
scenes.
yes, and it pops out. Good to go.
We're getting there.
We're getting there. Yeah. We're in the big screen now. I'm gonna lower the music a little bit down. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. We're here. We're good. Yes, sir.
Should do the final remarks, or
This
you
is
want to take over?
there. I'm just gonna keep it right there. Yes, sir. No, but yeah, this one is a good live stream. You know, we're trying to, like in the previous, we did the problem, the Roman numeral. That on the previous live stream we said we were gonna do it today. We did it. It was a little bit easier than we thought it was, but it's a good refresher.
But it did take us like an
Yeah,
hour.
it did take us an hour. Yes. I thought it was gonna take us like an entire an hour 30 or like 2 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
You expected longer.
Yeah. But yeah, we learned a little bit more about dictionaries, iteration, and all that stuff. So that was a good problem to solve. And now we solved the length of the last word, which was an easy problem. It's a good way to learn a little bit more Python and string manipulation. But yeah, overall, I feel good. I don't know about you.
Good. Well, okay, you go with your skill.
With my skill, ooh, I feel.
Remember, we started off sane.
Insane.
We gotta give a rating.
Yeah, of course.
We feel now. Maybe we don't feel sane anymore.
I feel like a 4, because I feel this one stressed me out, because this last one, because it was easy, but the fact that I didn't know how to do it, you get me? So I'm ranging like in the 4 or 5 insane scale. Yeah, because just the
For me, I think I'm around a 4 as well. Maybe a 4.5. I don't want to be
4.5.
Maybe a 4.5. Only because of the problem we were trying to solve.
Oh yes, I forgot about that one. Yes.
Find a single number.
Yeah, with the time complexity. Yeah.
That one rose my insane level.
Yeah.
Then it went down a little bit. So I'm around insane. But definitely like the Roman numerals, it was pretty good. There was a good practice on that one. I liked it actually. Eventually, I like the idea we came up with.
Yeah, for sure.
That was pretty interesting.
Yeah,
but we'll have the timestamps below. So
yeah. Yeah, and that's all Carlos. Carlos does all the timestamps, the logos, everything. So shout out to him. He's like coming in clutch with that stuff. Me, on the other hand, I just click play, click stream, start stream. You know,
that's a lot of work though.
Nah, but tell you a guy, he went all out with other stuff. So props to him. But yeah,
we're getting better every stream. You know,
yes, sir.
With the coding problems, but getting better with like the streaming.
Yeah.
We added music this stream.
We added music this stream. Yes, sir.
Eventually, Jose maybe is gonna work on the scenes.
Now I'm actually gonna do that right now. Yeah, I'm gonna see.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Cause I have some free time right now.
And then me and Jose were talking about doing a channel trailer. We're probably not gonna record it today, but keep a lookout for that one.
Yeah.
Have a
Yes,
little
yes.
channel trailer, like a 30-second one to kind of
Uh-huh.
explain what we're doing. But other than that, I feel pretty good.
Yeah, for sure.
Our goal is like each stream we're doing. We're obviously gonna get better at the coding problems and hopefully get better with the production.
Yeah.
Nothing too crazy. But
Yeah,
like, you know,
something acceptable, of course. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. And guys, don't remember if you have Discord and you guys want to help us out on any of problem, or give us some word of encouragement or something, right? You can tell us and we'll add you to the call in Discord, and you see we can work things out, and stuff like that, and that would be really cool. And oh, you're echoing. Is it me? Is it me?
I don't know.
Let me see. I'm gonna mute my mic a little bit.
Yeah, I hear it a little bit. Yeah.
Eesh, do you think it's because of me? Let me see.
I honestly have no clue. It's not that bad,
Yeah?
but it is an echo.
Yeah, it is an echo. Eesh.
Whenever the audio switch, that's when the problems start happening.
Yeah, alright, but
That's all good.
yeah, but it's like bearable a little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll make sure next stream.
Yeah, for sure. This time my headset died, so we had to come like real fast to coming in.
I think that's about it, though.
Yeah. But thank you, Elizabeth, for your ratings.
Mama.
We appreciate it. Yes, of course. Nah, you have an amazing son. He's really smart. Of course. And yeah, it's fine. All right, thank you, Kara, for the feedback. We'll have it better next stream. We had a little technical default. Yeah, thank you, Ali. Yeah, of course. Thank you.
So yeah,
But
the recording will be up.
Yeah, the recording will be up. Yeah.
You could join the call if you want to help us out. Or
It's for sure.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Whatever. Don't matter.
Yes. Yeah. But yeah, that's one thing. The cause. That's what before we started the live stream and stuff, like the entire YouTube channel. That was one of the main things, like the cause. There'd be like a help button, like a panic button, right, and get the chat more engaging and stuff. But yeah. Yeah, no echo on your end. All right. That's weird. Damn.
I definitely heard it. But
Yeah, you heard it. Yeah, we'll figure it out. By next year, we'll figure it out for sure. But yeah. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe, like, share it with your peers, share it with your friends, and thank you guys for coming here and bearing our shenanigans. But yeah, thank you very much, Carlos. I'm gonna pass it to Carlos.
You said everything I wanted to say.
Yes. All right. Well, thank you guys for coming in and appreciate your time. Yeah, for sure. Have a good night, Kari, too. Have a good night, everybody. Take care. God bless.
Bye.